What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5. No, that's 10. The first powerful tool in every video that I create here on YouTube is lighting. And now we're not just talking about the forward-facing light that's in front of you. I'm talking about the lights behind you, to the side, something to give your video a little bit of depth and color. The lights you see behind me usually is an RGB colored light strip that just glues onto the back of items. So for me, I have mine glued onto the back of my dresser, and it just adds a nice little color to the room whenever I'm filming. Those lights literally cost me 24 bucks. Never again am I having a gray brownish background. Now the lighting you see in front of me is a 10-inch selfie ring light, which stands on a tripod. So that means I can extend it so that it can be high heights. How about taller? The size is adjustable to where I can also throw it on my desk for when I'm doing videos there, and it brightens up my face a whole lot more than without it. And what I do to make sure my face doesn't get blasted out with light is that I actually use this as a bouncer. So I bounce the light off the wall so that my face appears a bit more naturally. You know what other great items you can put on your desk? Well, how about a vertical charging tower by our sponsor today, Intone Power. The charging tower that Intone Power offers has a surge protector with 16 outlets and 4 USB ports. This makes it perfect for plugging in a variety of different tech devices, from phones to computers to your camera chargers, laptop, lights, and more. I love the fact that with this charging tower, I don't need multiple different power strips plugged into an outlet to charge and power the devices that I want. This device has a nice enough design to where you can keep it out in the open for people to easily access, whether that's in your living room, on your gaming desk. It even has an independent power switch on each side of the tower, which will turn devices on and off depending on the side the devices are plugged into. Definitely a cool item if you're a gamer or a streamer looking for some extra plug-in power for your setup. Check out the links in the description below. Now for the second most powerful tool I could not make YouTube videos without, that would be the YouTube browser functionality. Well, actually there's a little bit more to that. YouTube in and of itself is a powerful search engine tool. You can see the most popular terms and titles that people are looking up for a video that you might be interested in doing. Let's take the keyword Fortnite, for example, and we can see the most popular search terms listed from the top down to help us make video ideas. We can even add a space and then one extra letter such as N, and we can see that no building is one, new season is one, new update. Now let's take this even one step further. There's a great tool that you can add as a plugin into your browser called vidIQ. vidIQ will show you viewership and competition data for the search terms that you'll look up in YouTube. Let's take a search term such as Warzone new map, for example. Using vidIQ, I can see the overall competitive score based on the volume of people looking up this term, as well as the competition. If you have a smaller channel, you'll find that it is easier to get your videos to break through when you're using the keywords within your title that have a low competition ranking and are highly optimized. By the way, these features that I'm showing you from vidIQ are completely free to use. They do have some paid features which are also very powerful and super handy, but you can get a lot out of the tool just by using it for free. Now for the third powerful tool I can't make YouTube videos without, that would be Epidemic Sounds. It has over 30,000 tracks that you can sort by the genre, the mood, even the theme, and it also has sound effects that you can download as well. One thing I like to do when looking for background tracks for my videos is that I go to vocals and then turn on the instrumentals filter, and this will show me all of the songs that don't have vocals on it, making it perfect for background music. For a great copyright safe alternative to Epidemic Sound, you guys can definitely check out Pretzel. This site also has thousands of tracks that are completely free to use on YouTube and Twitch. And you know what? Let me hit you guys with one more recommendation, and that would be to check out Stream Beats by the legend Harris Heller himself. On the Stream Beats site, if you head over to the Create tab and then select the download link, you'll see all of these albums of music within this Google Drive folder to select from for your YouTube videos. The fourth most powerful tool I'm going to mention is microphones, actually. This has to be an item, guys, because your audio is so critical when it comes to your videos. You can get a great quality microphone for as cheap as $50, guys, such as the Blue Snowball. I'm using the Anker PowerCast M300 microphone in front of me right here. If you have a little bit more to spend, you can check out the Elgato Wave 3 microphone or the Blue Yeti microphone. If there was a single item I'd recommend for you guys to get to invest in your YouTube channel, it would be a good quality microphone. Now for the fifth powerful tool I couldn't make YouTube videos without, that would be two particular apps on my mobile device. One being the Notes app. This is a centralized location where I can access the notes on my computer, my phone, my tablet. I script out my videos within this app so that I can reference them when I'm filming. I can always be writing ideas down whenever they come to mind. If you're gonna take YouTube seriously, you wanna take all that information you have in your head and put it out so you can see the big picture for what you're trying to accomplish. The second app I'm gonna mention here is the YouTube Creator Studio app. It can be addicting sometimes, but it is so great to check in how your channel is performing. You can see all of your analytics, you can see recent comments, which is so critical for keeping up the engagement with new viewers or people that are interested in one of your videos. It's the YouTube Studio desktop version, literally in your pocket. I don't see how you could be a YouTuber and not have this app on your phone. Now, I know I said in this video I'm only gonna show you 5 powerful tools. Well, I got some honorable mentions to note to you. One of these being a personal favorite for me, and that's the Final Cut Pro Manager. This app literally cleans up the files in the back end of Final Cut Pro so that I can get space back on my computer. I was an idiot and only bought 512 gigabytes of SSD space on my MacBook Pro a few years ago, and I've been suffering ever since. It fills up so quick when editing, but now with this app, I'm able to literally just clean up my files and I have hundreds of gigabytes of space again. It's so beautiful. It only cost me $27, but it has saved me many headaches and me just breaking down and buying a new laptop with like 2 terabytes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.